So what are the legal implications of Mr. Trump's business dealings? Joining me now, our Fox News senior judicial analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano. Judge, good to see you. So what specifically do you see as a problem, if any?
Actually, the problem for President-elect Trump is a political one and not a legal one. The reason it's not a legal one is that all the ethics rules that the Congress has written and his predecessors have signed into office, regulating everybody that works for the federal government, have two exceptions to them: the vice president and the president. So none of the rules that govern everyone else govern him. Stated differently, he can lawfully run the executive branch of the federal government and operate his businesses at the same time. He can engage in dealing which appears to be a conflict of interest, and again, the remedy is political, it's not legal. Look, he can't break the law. He can't accept payments from foreign governments in order to confer benefits on them, and even his wildest critics have not accused him of that. But if he toes the line, can probably do what he says he's going to do: be a good businessman and be a great president at the same time.
So it's fine for him if he's on the phone with, the leader of Argentina, as he reportedly was, and sort of says, hey, now that we're done with state business, what's the status with my approval on my hotel down there? Sure would help me out if you could get that pushed through quickly. That's legal? That's fine?
That is legal. It may appear unlawful. It would be unlawful if a governor did it. It would be unlawful if a senator or member of Congress did it. But it is not unlawful for the president. Candidly, Megyn, when these statutes were written, nobody contemplated a Donald Trump. Nobody contemplated a billionaire with serious interests in 20 countries around the world, even countries that are currently not friendly with the United States. They wanted to give the president as much freedom as possible.
If it's not forbidden, what would the prudent thing be in the eyes of these legal experts who are looking at it? Which is it's an obvious, it makes you feel bad. I don't know why.
Yeah,
it makes you feel a little concerned that our country shouldn't be a bargaining chip in a business dealing.
Here's why it's going to make people feel bad. People will wonder, as much as they want to trust him, as much as people want him to be successful, people will wonder, is he making the best decision for the country, or is he making the best decision for himself? And what happens when there's an inexorable conflict between those two? It would be a lot easier for him. He'd be a better president and a happier president if he put all of his holdings into a blind trust and had no contact with the trustee. Does he have to do that? No. And if he doesn't do it, the remedy is criticism, investigations, and political ramifications, but no legal wrongdoing.
That's what 2020 is for.
Yes.
Judge, good to see you.
Pleasure, Megyn.